Man Pro here. You heard me talk about faceless videos in my last video. So what I want to do is show you a quick way to make faceless videos using 11 Labs, Premiere Pro, and some other programs and tricks. But the basic thing I want you to see is how to use 11 Labs and Premiere Pro to make your faceless videos. Okay, let's get started. Okay, so we're gonna go into Premiere Pro. We already pretty much compiled all of the things that will make up our faceless video. And what we did, we went and got like 10 AI generated images of African villages. And we brought that from Adobe Firefly. We also had ChatGPT write us a story. And then we took that story into 11 Labs, and the 11 Labs give us a voice and put that voice with the video. And then we exported our video into a faceless video, which I'm going to show you now how to bring into Premiere Pro and capture. So we're going to bring our video onto our timeline. As you can see here, you see that is our village. Those are our pictures. And then you hear the voice.
The path of men. In the village of Ndemu, walking was more than movement. It was heritage, strength, and wisdom.
Okay, so you see how we narrated that? That don't sound like me, do it? So you can use any voices that you create in 11 Labs, and you can clone your own voice. And then you can also read or pre-record and put it in 11 Labs and put a little more emotion into it. And then, like I say, once you bring it in here and you got everything pretty much set as far as how you want your video, now I can take this video and I can go into my text, and I can say I want to transcribe this video. And I'm going to hit transcribe, and what it's going to do is going to put the captions in my video, so when I put it up on my social media channels, you see where it's captioned. So we can go in here and we could take all of these little 3 dots here. We could take all of this stuff out. As far as the spacing, it's just so many things that we can also do in here if we want to continue to work on it. So it could be some misspelled words in here, which is sometimes lengthy, but usually with 11 Labs, it's pretty good diction, so you get your captions right. So now I want to caption this, so I'm going to go right here and I'm going to say create captions from transcript. We're just doing this basic and quick so you can see. And then I can go in here and then see I could tell I could tell the program certain things that I want or the style of captions that I want. And we don't want anything in particular, but you can go down here and I can make bigger letters. I can give it a style if I got some presets set as far as styles. But right now, I just want to go in here. I'm going to cancel this out and just say create captions. And what's going to happen is now I got captions created. So you'll see on my video, we got captions created. So now if I really want to go and do some special stuff, I'm going to go in here, I'm going to double click on one of my graphics, and then I'm going to select all of these, but I want to be able to see them. So I'm going to select them all, and then I'm going to raise them up. Then I'm going to bring my font size up, and that's it. So now you see me playing. So there's so much more you can do to make a faceless video, because I don't want to have 3 rows. So it's just something that you can do when you edit your graphics to make this smaller. But you don't want to do just that one, you want to do them all. So I'm going to make that smaller. See, so I just got a double row. So I can change the colors, I can play around with it. We can left to right. It's everything that you can normally do with text. So now you got a faceless video. Then I could add my logo down here in the right corner, bottom corner, and then I can put this out and load it up on my channel. So I would just come in here when I finish. But what I normally do is take my graphics, instead of leaving them freely, I go up here to graphics and titles, and I hit upgrade captions to graphics. And then I get another choice of things that I can do if I want to play around with the graphics with just that particular graphic and then copy and paste. So I'm not trying to change any colors or anything. Then I'm just dealing with the effects control now. And then I just go up here and export this out to whatever file I want it to be in, put it in my file, upload it to my social media program, and that's pretty much it. So suddenly I have what you call a faceless video. And then once you play your faceless video...
The path of men. In the village of Ndemu, walking was more than movement. It was heritage, strength, and wisdom. Every morning before the first...
And then up under this, I can also add music, things like that. So you can add music to it, and then you'll have a really, really nice project. So once you put some time into it and know how to integrate the programs, that's pretty much what I call the interdisciplinary approach, something that I studied a year or two ago, where I can take all these programs and integrate them and come up with these projects. So like I said, we used 11 Labs, we used ChatGPT, we used Premiere Pro, we use music. Sometimes I get music from Wirecast. You can get it from other stock programs. The graphics, I might take them into another program. AI generated Firefly, I use Firefly. So this is about maybe 7 or 8 programs that I use just to make this Faceless video. So we're just giving you the concept of how this is done. It's a simpler process. It depends on what you're trying to make or what your vision is. Okay, so that's pretty much it. As you see Faceless videos, you don't see me, you don't know me, it's not my voice. It's just so many things, so many images you can use and video you can use. We just used images to make it quick. But it's just a way to, whatever your niche is, it may be foods, it may be art, it may be music, whatever it is, and you don't want to be on camera, and you just want to get it out there. Hey, the way to go is Faceless videos. Till next time, I'm Danland Pro. It's always a pleasure. YouTube.com, Steppers Express, Danland Pro, Webmaster Dan. Hit that subscribe and that like button. Peace.